What up, guys and ladies? Stoner Steve's _ Hot Wheels. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, but Stoner Steve's _ Custom Diecast on Whatnot Sales app. That way you can see, purchase a couple of these things that you see that I show you and some of my customs. Well, this is part 2 of the mystery box off of Whatnot. And this is the construction equipment, so let's go through it right now. We'll start out with the the tank track items. I can't make out the brand name of that one, but that's pretty cool. Alright, that's pretty cool. So I got a box. If you guys didn't watch the part 1 of this video, we went through the cars. I got a box of cars, random cars off of Whatnot. And then this is the box of random, what they said was construction equipment. So right now we're just going to go through the front. I got a bunch of plow. Well, here, I'll probably do them instead of one at a time. Let's get all the ones that look like each other. Alright, so I got these there. Then that guy there, they're all pretty cool. Then let's move into these type of loaders. Got 4 of those. Put these earth movers back here. That doesn't move. This one does move. Oh, that one's missing a wheel. This one moves. Does not move. Okay. Now we'll move on to, oh, nope, can't move on to those yet. Still got a couple of these. Alright, missing this little bucket there. This guy moves. We'll go ahead and put him back there with those. Is that, wipe these out. Is that forklift? Okay, this guy, oh, that guy does move. Let's see, little handle back here. Alright, kind of neat. Does he move? Yep, he moves too. So we're going through these together. Mystery box. I've seen them. I didn't go through them, like look through them as detailed as I'm looking at them now. I wanted to save the surprise, but so yeah, I've never really handled each one of them and moved them and checked them out. So, all right, now we're going into like the dumpers. Go ahead and like the dump trucks. That's heavy, boy. That is heavy. So 2 of these bad boys. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. No, I didn't get that on camera. My bad. Alright. Push them back there. Alright, got this old guy. Metal. Still dumps though. Gotta get it. But yeah, so there's that. We got some rollers. Street rollers. Cement rollers. Shit, does it move or articulate? Oh, it does. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay. So yeah, that's neat. Pretty neat there. Got a grater. Little grater action. Alright. This looks like, I think, an airport truck to me. I think that's an airport truck, not a farm truck. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong. But that looks like, what do they call that? The airport baggage truck. There we go, little tanker. Little farm tanker truck. Be a cool Mad Max. Cement roller. But look at this. This is the coolest part. That's pretty rad. That's a pretty cool casting, man. Who is that? can't read that. And I need to get better eyeballs. Maybe the zoom on the camera, you guys can see it. You can read that, let me know. I can't see it on my end. But that's pretty cool. Alright, I don't want to make it too long. Farm equipment. Oh, what the, look like a combine. Looks like a combine thing, you know. Another little farm. Oh, there's a dump. Oh, well, that's neat. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. I might take the railing off, use the railing for something, and then keep the dump. Make be a pretty gnarly Mad Max. Or a ramp truck. Cut the bed part right there. Make it like a ramp truck. Oh no, that's pretty neat. I might do something with that. Got a little mud thrown up on it already. What is this here? Okay, this is the road. A road, I believe the tar goes in there. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's what I think that is. Could be wrong, let me know. And then this guy is he missing something? Yep, he's missing something. There's something missing. His shovel, I bet you his bucket. His bucket is missing. Old Tonka. Good condition though for missing his bucket. Heck, I'd still have that. If somebody let me have this thing, man, like they're, you know, ran. Oh, dude, you can still pull trees with it, man. You can pull anything out of the mud with it. Put some big old freaking knobby tires on it and pull through any kind of mud. Be a killer swamp buggy. Anyways, so that is, excuse me, that is the box of the construction, the random box of construction. Not those two; those were in the car. Random car was my son. But those were in the box of construction equipment that I got off of Whatnot. And I have one more box of trucks only. So I'll be doing a third video for the third box. And that will be for the trucks if I have not separated them already. There's some pretty cool ones in there too as well. So stay tuned for that. But right now I'm going to end this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I think there's some pretty cool stuff. If you want to see anything closer, let me know. And you will be seeing this stuff, this lot on sale on my Whatnot. Stoner Steves _ custom diecast Whatnot. Check me out. Alright guys, later.